Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're taking a look at a Wise business account review. Different from the Wise personal account, you can hold, spend and convert in 40 plus currencies, local account details, and Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate with just a small fee on top, no large hidden markups. Sending money, fees often start from 0.33 to 0.65% depending on the currency and destination. You can also have useful business tools like batch payments that you can pay many recipients at once are supported, which is helpful for payroll, contractors, etc. An integration with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, Free Agent to simplify bookkeeping, and business debit cards, which are both virtual and physical in supported regions with spending controls for team use. You have no monthly subscription fee for many regions, and one-time startup or registration fee applies in many countries. After that, you mostly pay only for usage. Wise is regulated in many jurisdictions. They use safeguarding practices like keeping client funds separate, even if not all protections like bank deposit insurance apply. But now, let's go to the limitations and drawbacks. No physical branches because it has no access to bank features like loans, overdrafts, check or cash deposit in most places, and some business models requiring credit facilities or in-person banking may need additional services beyond what Wise offers. Some features like cards, local account details receiving in certain currencies are only available in specific geographies, and also starting fees, card availability and currency options vary a lot by country. For example, opening in UK or Euro usually costs a one-time fee, in some other countries maybe less or more. So Wise Business is strong for certain use cases. Here are the kinds of businesses that tend to benefit the most. Freelancers, consultants, remote contractors who receive payments from overseas, e-commerce sellers with international customers, especially if customers prefer paying in their own currencies, small or medium businesses with cross-border expense needs, companies looking for lower FX fees versus traditional banks, and teams that need multiple cards with spending control. So Wise Business is an excellent tool for businesses that operate globally, moving money across borders, holding multiple currencies, and needing transparency and low fees. So, it delivers on the promises very well. However, it's not full substitute for a traditional business bank account when you need local banking services, loans or credit. Before choosing, you should check whether the specific features need are available in your country. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.